Welcome to another episode of V-ADVENTUROUS. Today, diving into the mind-blowing experience of the Meow Wolf in Grapevine, Texas. They're real, unreal. We are here celebrating our son's 15th birthday. We're gonna have the best time.
He's silly. Whoa,
Yay.
crazy. What? Yes.
Yes, another.
So do y'all want to get started?
That is here. That is not taking Beto. That is taking it before again.
That gives me what I need, and I only know my
There is 4 locations throughout the United States. One in Denver, one in Santa Fe, one in Las Vegas, and this one, the newest one here in Grapevine, Texas. We have been to all, so we are very excited to be on this one. I know they're going to be opening 2 more, so maybe we're going to have to make him get to those places as well.
¿Qué dijo su hija? Que le iba a abrir, Cheetah wasn't recording.
A ver, open that one, Ceci? Oh, it's not opening.
That one you can't open, huh?
Glasses. Oh, look, I'm gonna do some laundry, Ceci.
Don't let me scare you now.
Ay!
I didn't want to scare you.
I thought you were like a robot or something.
No, I'm real. I'm fully interactive.
Okay.
See, I knew I was gonna scare you. That's why I wanted to.
And that was
immerse
it.
myself
I don't want to scare you, and I'm like.
And she scared you.
I think that's scary.
Yes,
You're not
very,
scary,
very
but that wasn't scary. I was like.
We need to hear this.
Is that scary? Are we gonna do laundry, Sissy?
Y tu papá se va a tener que ir por ahí.
I wanna go.
Okay, go. Where does it go through the other side?
It's just so tiny, right? No, I hope it's.
It gets small and then opens up to one of the biggest rooms we have.
Okay, you wanna go there, Sissy, with me? Okay, I'll go first, and then you come. It's a slide. You like slides? Oh, there's another
There's
one.
another one over there.
So they're both.
Yes, and they go to very different places.
Oh.
Ábrele tiro a esto, por favor. Classic mama, eh?
Hey, Sissy, come here. Come join me, Sissy. I'm gonna be waiting for you in this slide. Hold on, no tengo mi cámara. Bueno, vente. You ready?
Ready?
Go! Where's my Sissy? Yay.
¿Usted también se va a ir, Chino? What are you guys doing over there? Did you drop everything?
Yes. So one of the really cool things about this place is like so interactive. It's almost like an amusement park where there's like slides and passages and things like that. So we just got this in the washing machine and it's super cool. Ceci, my dad and I, we did it and we're ready to explore the next one.
Yay.
Where's somebody I know? Hello? 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 Somebody there? Probably me tomas una
It's
foto.
probably big.
It sounds like that. Free everything? Bizcochito.
What does it say
Passport, bizcochito.
there? Nice.
Let me try. I'm gonna try. What's happening? Let's see. Where's my drink? Wait.
So you think you can see right through me? Yeah.
What?
Oh, we found you guys again? Oh, wow.
Hey, wait.
Hey.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
This is the best soda ever.
That's soda?
Well, I was trying to get a soda.
Lady when they're
Yep.
here.
I'll have a list of things for you to find.
Alright. Thank you very much.
Of course.
Ceci, look how pretty this is. So for people that doesn't know, Meow Wolf is like a museum. It's like an interactive science fiction museum that you can touch and grab, and it's all created by different local artists. It began in Santa Fe, New Mexico, and then now it's got 4 locations, but basically they just kind of do art in a way that you can touch and experience it. It's pretty cool. Lots of colors, lights, sounds. It's very immersive, it's very interactive. It is for the whole family. So even little kids have fun, adults have fun, teenagers have fun. So I highly recommend for anybody that wants to have some good time. And if you get to see them for all of them like us, if you get to see them all like we have, it's gonna be really cool because you can compare with them and see what the differences are. Let's continue going around this place. Vámonos, let's go. Is it a horsey? What is this?
And we found an elevator, so my wife wants to go in the elevator. We're not done yet, but she wants to go in the elevator.
What in the world, sissy?
What in the world?
I think it's 2, right?
Yep.
Is it toppings? What do they sell here?
Strawberry.
They sell,
Well, look who I found.
I found these aliens over here. We know you lost another one.
Ceci ya se va a acostar.
¿Tienes sueño?
Ceci going to sleep. Ceci's tired. Ceci's tired. Ceci, you tired?
Read, who can I encourage today? Center, love, and all things. Sissy, look at this closet. Do you want to go through the closet? Let's try it out.
And I keep finding more and more similarities to the one in Santa Fe. There's one room in Santa Fe, I forgot what the name of that room was, but you go into that room, you go into the closet, and then when you step into the closet, you're going down this little hallway, and in that hallway there's a piano. That's in Santa Fe. And you got the exact same room basically here in Grapevine. So a lot of similarities, just like the one in Santa Fe.
What are they gonna do? You didn't find them? They were in the grandma room. In the grandma room. That was the last time.
That was like 20 minutes ago.
Wanna go through the door? Where is this?
It's
Where is
pitch
this
black.
taking me? Oh, the laundry room, guys. We only went to one room in the house. We didn't come through here. No hay nada así.
Oh, we already been through here?
Yes, but I think we haven't been.
That's the front of the house right there.
Okay, then where do we want to go? Here?
Oh,
Sassy, you got it, cousin?
Yes.
Sassy, look at this. Sassy.
Sassy, look.
¿Decir ahí, Ceci?
Oh, hell no. I'm not going to go through there. Oh, you guys can go through there. I am not going to go there.
Sorry.
Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and make sure that you guys hit the bell notifications to stay tuned for more video content like this. And when you guys are here, make sure that you guys go and check out the lemon lady. She's the one on top of the washer and the dryer, and she is going to give you guys a side quest or like a scavenger hunt, okay? So we're about to go do the scavenger hunt right now, actually.
So, not only is it a quest, but it also has my art on it. I drew this.
Awesome.
So, I want you to find a slug, cheese on a stick, some tiny rubber chickens. They look like this, but not as big as my dog. There's a room called the Crystal Cloud Cave that I want you to find, and it looks like it's named that. A lemon and nothing.
And nothing?
Nothing. A couple of these have more than one thing. Some of these can be subjective, you know, it's art. But I want you to take pictures of all of these things and then come back and I'll have a prize for you.
Yes, let's
okay,
do
we'll
that.
go ahead and do
There
it.
you go. Look, we're gonna go and find this, Sissy. We're gonna need a little help.
Yeah, have you noticed like differences in your life since you started here? Yeah, it's actually like really positive.
Time frame sequence initiated. Time freeze.
Wanna keep going?
Let's go outside. Let's see them.
Hey,
Alright,
this
so-
is another slug, isn't it?
A weird looking slug, but yeah, so far we've only been able to find a slug on the scavenger hunt. We have separated into 2 teams. Little V-Adventurous and his friends, and the V-Adventurous family is over here trying to complete the other half. So let's see, we're looking for the cheese stick right now. We are gonna go to the, I don't know if it's the grocery store. Oh, you know what? It might be by the elevator, remember? Yeah, the elevator had like a store. Yeah, so let's go see if the cheese stick, part of the scavenger hunt cheese stick, is by the elevator where there's like a grocery store, some kind of like a store, and they sell things in there. So the cheese stick might be in there. Let's see.
Right here. Say cheese. Okay, so number 2.
Go, shorty. It's your birthday. We're gonna party like it's your birthday. Yeah, better not be moving too much.
I was just like, wait.
And if you're doing the scavenger hunt and you have to get the cheese on the stick, it is in this room, and it's on the ice cream part right here. Cheese on a stick.
Okay, we gotta find the lemon and mira.
¿Qué encontraste?
Oh no, that's the porky. No hay chickens?
Nope.
Yay, we did it! Happy birthday! We did it! Yes! Yay!
In between my art and the lemon, these are very rare prizes. So great job.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Let's go find Ivan. Let's go find those kids.
That way.
This is excited about watermelon.
Okay guys, one of the really cool things that we just find out about this Meow Wolf here in Grapevine, Texas is actually you have a little bit of a, like the main reason for it is to find what happened to the family, but that really takes a lot of searching and reading and looking really hard. But we found the lemon lady here in the laundry room. She gave us this little piece of art she made. She gave us this scavenger hunt and we went and found all of the pieces, and she actually gave us a trophy because we found them all with the help of Beth and his friends, of course. But Ceci, can I see your lemon first, please? Okay, so this is a trophy and it says, I did Amanda's quest and all I got was this lemon. And then here's like the face of the lemon. So pretty cool, like we all had to play. Ceci got the trophy. So whenever you come to the Meow Wolf here in Grapevine, Texas, look for the with lemon lady in the laundry room, and she will give you this little piece of paper to find all the clues and give you a present. It's pretty cool. We enjoy it a lot. So I think this is the one place that we spend the most of the time on all the Meow Wolves we've been. I think we just have a couple of more rooms to go through and we'll be done. Really cool experience, highly recommended. The Adventurous family loves it. You wanna go with Daddy? Or you wanna go to the casita again?
You can't really stand on
You wanna go here again? You wanna go in there? Yes, let's go. Mart.
Is that the Omega Mart magnet?
Yes.
That's cool. Let me see it. Point it up to the camera. Omega Mart. I like Omega Mart.
I know. I don't think we have a magnet for this one, do we? I'm gonna take this too.
Okay.
Let's go. The Meow Wolf. Really cool. The Meow Wolf. One of the really cool things about the Meow Wolf is they actually pick out the name by just pulling 2 random papers from a bag or something like that. So they got the Meow and the Wolf. So pretty cool. Really cool place. So we cannot wait. They're telling us that the next one is gonna be in Houston. So the V-ADVENTUROUS family will be there. Stay tuned for that.
If you guys want to come to the Meow Wolf when it's not too crowded, we recommend that you guys come here early in the morning. We got here at 9 o'clock and there was like 5 people waiting in line. So basically we had the place almost all to ourselves. And anytime after 11 o'clock, it is going to be pretty crowded in there. And some of the places are going to be kind of hard to walk through. You're going to be waiting in line just to get through some doors and some areas. So keep that in mind if you want to come here. Tip from the V-ADVENTUROUS family. Over and out.